Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today at 𝗬𝗂𝗄𝗏 Cottage in Kenilworth on a plot of approximately 1 acre surrounded by beautiful countryside. This is a detached, characterful 4-bedroom, 4-bath family home, in part dating back to the late 1800s. And located on Chase Lane with amazing far-reaching views of the iconic Kenilworth Castle and countryside. So come with me, let's take a look around. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.